Yes, ready, start. Incidentally, the report of the director mentions a research project on local self government. I think that it is of the highest importance that this institute should give consideration to the administrative problems of local self government and even more particularly to those of panchayats. There are hundreds of thousands of panchayats in this country. They form the real base of our democracy. If that base is unsound, then we are not 100% stable democratically, even with the second base of our parliament. We are told that panchayats have not succeeded because there are disputes, there are parties, there is corruption, and all that. It is true, I think that our experience of panchayats has been distressing, but real democracy cannot exist at the top. It can only arise from the base, and in India, this is not something alien but something natural to the soil. The fact remains that the panchayats are the primary base of our democracy and we have to improve them. We have to evolve a ways and methods to combat faction and corruption in public administration. To take an instance, some kind of compensation is often given in the villages to a large number of people, or some relief work is taken in hand in a village and some petty official is put in charge of giving relief or compensation. There are always and there will always be great delays in giving it. Very often, by the time it reaches the recipient, either most of it disappears or by then the recipient has suffered a great deal. What are we going to do about it? Are we to wait until everybody is thoroughly honest and will not delay things? Of course, we should try to do that, but we cannot wait. Suppose the whole village is gathered together and the government announcement about the scale of the compensation is made in public. The chances of corruption will become less because the matter will be too public. This is a very simple thing, but it is not done. Why can't we work through simple methods? I have suggested that instead of summoning the people and making them again and again, the official concerned should go to the village and call all the people, announce the government's decision but about compensation publicly and say, come along, take it here and now. And where this is done, there will be no chances of delay. Unless some such methods are evolved, corruption will become a serious problem. Of course, some amount of it may continue dispute the new methods for its complete elimination requires higher standards of integrity on the part of the pupil. This has to be ensured for honest administration in India. Stop.